Hi, it's Danny. I'd like to complete this little series of videos about the feet, bringing a few things together here. Please join in, feel free to stand up right now. Let's do a weight shift that is forward and back, but also has an element of side to side in there. It's not a hip focus, but let's add a hip hinge to challenge your balance from a more horizontal torso and back leg position. Now this is quite challenging depending on your familiarity with this, your balance, your ankle, your calf, your hamstrings, so feel free to hold on. And you're looking to get towards that capital T shape, right from head to foot. No trouble to bend that standing knee slightly. Let's do one more this side, and this may be less of a hip hinge and you may be holding on. Otherwise go lower. Watch your stability and balance and confidence. You could squat from there. You could add a little knee bend. Try and keep the foot down. More advanced finish there. Let's shake out. We'll change over. So weight shift, hip hinge. Lower your torso, raise your back leg. Whilst the balance, the confidence, the stability, the awareness here. Maybe you can pause and return slowly. Holding on, modification, easier version. Advancing to go a little lower, keep the legs straighter. Even take the foot above the height of the head. Both legs pretty straight. And from there, if you want to, let's bend that front knee. Get to a certain degree. And increase the challenge. Yeah, it's quads and glutes, but it's also soleus who are working down lower into the muscles that affect the ankle. Okay, a little snack exercise to bring into your day for balance, strength, stability, movement confidence, starting at the ground and working their way up through the back of the leg, integrating more into the hamstrings and glutes with today's class. Thanks for joining us.